Hello, this is Restoration Antique and Modern, and I'm polishing a chair. It's a very nice chair, mid-century chair with wood carving. Yeah, the wood has been carved with evaporation technique. And they are mid-century, very nice design. In the middle of the chair is coming a seat, circle seat with a frame, metal frame, very nice. Right, so I'm polishing the chair with gomma lacca. Basically it's shellac. They call also bottom polishing. Before to start polishing, I strip the chair because they were originally with black lacquer, very thick lacquer, black. So I take off all this black lacquer and I sand it down, and after I dye stain walnut, dye stain walnut, and start polishing with bottom polishing. And right after the polishing, I will use Wywool 00, and after that I use a very clear waxing, waxing, and after the chair will be right to finish. Thank you. I have done a 6 chair. You will see in the photo. Thank you.